Hey guys, Eddie here from DilleenProperty. Today we're doing a renovation and we're painting. This property, that we're in right now, this wall is absolutely disgusting. Basically what we're doing is we're painting it all white. So we've got paint down here. This property that I'm in is about 20 minutes to Brisbane, and as you can see from the wall and the property, it's very outdated. This thing's about 20, 25, 30 years old. It's in desperate need of some tender loving care. It's October 2018 right now, and I had some free time on the weekend, so I basically drove up from Sydney and using it as an excuse to, while I'm checking out some other properties that we're picking up for clients, painting one of my rental properties so I can get it reevaluated and use that equity onto the next property. So I'll keep probably painting all night, and it's just one of those things. If you want to move forward and progress and get ahead in life, you got to put in the time, put in the hours, and get your hands dirty. Not be afraid to do things like this, no matter where you're at, what stage you're at. So I'll check in soon. We'll do another video once it's all done and do some before and after photos, and we'll take it from there. Thanks for watching, guys, and I'll catch you next video. Bye.